Alright, I got a short period of time right quick before I gotta get my day started. I'm doing wiring on that Firebird right there. But before I roll onto that, I'm gonna flip over the bear block here and drop my crankshaft in. Like I've been saying, the bearings were all looking really good, the mains. And I don't see any reason to replace them, especially to go through the process of matching and finding the best clearances and everything. It's gonna be a pain in the ass on the connecting rod bearings. So it spun so good, everything's awesome, and there's no scoring or any really bad wear at all. Like I said, like you can still see. I don't want to show you the half shell. I want to show you the thrust side. But yeah, like, look at that, dude. There's well, I guess it's good. It's really good. It doesn't look like the crank's walking at all, at all. And it's not beating them up. It's not beating them up at all. It's such a good thing. I love it. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get that started. Clean rag and just wipe everything down real good. Real important thing about bearing installation is cleanliness of your surfaces. Especially on the back side of your bearings, pay real close attention because those little specks of dirt can create high spots on an otherwise perfect bearing. And it'll be too tight. You don't want that, so. Get it all nice and clean. Now, when you're wiping with a rag, you'll always see it leave fibers at the edges of your machine surfaces and points where bores have been drilled or oil galleries, which little vocabulary here is oil galleries, not oil galley. A galley is a kitchen. So, little FYI. WD-40 oil, that is. This was just done as a fogging to keep the engine from developing any surface rust. Did a really good job. It sat overnight with a towel over it, which I expect that towel should have dropped some fibers down in here. So I still got to take really good care and make sure that I'm using compressed air and a shop towel. These are really good at leaving less fibers behind than shop rags, like a red shop rag. I don't have one here to show you because I hardly use them anymore. Mostly to wipe my hands, but I have shop towels. These blue shop towels. a good wipe down, I'll go ahead and hit there. Another good little practice that I like to do is I'll use my fingers to actually wipe. You know, my hands are clean right now. You can see that I haven't been doing much work yet. I'll use my fingers to wipe those fibers away too. It just works really, really well. You're working with big parts. Names are all marked. You got arrows and numbers on them. Arrows point towards the front, and numbers are numbered front to back. All the mains except the center main have numbers on them, but the center main does have an arrow on it, so that's really all it's important. If you have trouble with memory, make sure you write it down. Loud for no reason. Gotta make some room. Gonna be editing all of this out. I'm a little fucking ridiculous. Alright, so I'm walking up. Pay attention, mother. Alright, you gotta edit this. Check it out. Alright, I don't know if you can really see it too good or not. There's a bunch of carbon buildup in the tang. I'm gonna clean that out. I'm not leaving that in there. Just, you know, small things that you don't want to overlook, dude. So service manual says to install main bearings in the blocking caps and then lubricate bearings. So you should have clean, dry. I mean, you should, maybe a little bit of WD-40 on your used bearings going back in your engine. So go ahead and start with the half shells. All right. Number one half shell. We'll wipe down. Clean out the oil channel. Alright, well, number one half shell. We're going to go ahead and place it back down into number one. Line the tanks up with your tank location. Try to make sure that you ain't got no fibers or anything. Go. Nice. These bearings still have a really good fit to them. Like they still keen in a little bit when not keen in, but they still have a little bit of like squish. You know, they still feel like they're gripping into those caps really well. So, wipe this number one down. This back. Two. Down really good. Make sure I get any kind of varnish out of there just so it won't break away or cause any scoring during our initial fire up. Done for scoring. Feel when it's gritty going in. If you can feel if it's gritty going in, no good. Pull it out, clean it, try again. And if it's still gritty, you may have to knock some varnish off or something. You gotta get in there and get a little aggressive with it. Some drill pad or steel wool. I mean, It sucks. It means you're gonna have to go back and clean again. But man, if you want to go right, you really want to go right. Believe me. Ain't trying to be out here doing this again. So. Yeah, man. Not today, Sonny Jim. I don't fucking think so. Hot damn. I only got so much luck till Halloween and then it runs out. Well, those things are different.